Okay, boys, I'm not gonna look at charts now. Just gonna talk about something. Just gonna rant to you. Because I was talking to a friend. Can I call her a friend? Someone I know. Also trades. And she was basically telling me how she is not part of this mentorship group that I'm still part of. Um, and it's because she feels like people's analysis and breakdowns on how they trade conflicts with her emotion, emotions, her analysis, her psychology, and whatnot, and whatnot, and whatnot. And I agreed with her. I'm like, you know what? I feel like we we've reached a point where we are not speaking the same language, or we speak the same language, just different dialects or whatever. With these people, because the way they see charts and the way they trade is essentially not the way her and I want to do. Like, we like to swing trade. Well, I cater more out. I'm leaning more towards swing trading than and day trading rather than scalping. And majority of the people there, bro, even the mentor themselves, like scalps, and it's like I don't know, man. Like, I really don't know. Like, I don't think I'm not shaming them. I'm not speaking ill. I'm just saying, like, when you don't really align with, because I told her, like, I feel like we should have had mentors that trade the same way we trade. Yes, they can show us the basics, but ultimately, do they trade the way we trade? Because the way they enter, the way scalpers enter and the way swing traders enter, I think it's different. I don't think it's the same. Maybe I'm still too naive or still new to this since I don't know, but ultimately, bro, I even like archived that group and muted it because I remember there was a time when signals were really messing me up, bro. I'll see something, I'll see a signal from him, and he'll go, and I'll be like, shit, okay, let me take his signal because he knows what he's doing. And that was wrong, bro. That was hella wrong. That was hella wrong for me. And also why I fucking hate signals. I hate signals with a passion, bro. If you have signals, don't you ever depend on signals, bro. Take it from me. But that's another video for another day. And it was just like conflict with what I was seeing, bro. And it was just like pissed me off because I'll be right. And it's like, yeah, I don't really think we trade the same way. So we had a session with other students, whatever, and they were breaking down the charts. And I was essentially talking about this low that um, price is gonna go tap into. Um, and then like, yo, but that low is so far. How long are you gonna wait for it? I'm like, bro, like, and it kind of felt like he's making me feel bad for seeing the charts the way I see it. But I don't make them feel bad for the way, and maybe it wasn't intentional, but it's maybe the way he asked or whatever. But it's like, bro, I see price going to this level because it's happened before. So why? Because everyone was seeing buys, seeing buys. I'm like, how are you seeing buys when price pushed up? Yes, but then it failed to make a new low. It failed to make a new high. It corrected heavy and broke a level of support. It broke that structure. So now it's like in between. It doesn't know what it wants to do. It wants to buy, it wants to sell. So I'm saying, okay, it wants to sell because I'm just seeing consistent lower highs. I'm seeing consistent lower highs on the 4 hour, the 1 hour. Yes, there's a higher low, but I'm seeing more higher low. I'm seeing lower highs more than anything. And if price was gonna push up, it should have just pushed up because there was a time where it just started pushing up, and it didn't stop at all. So So I don't know, man. I feel like you just need to just find people that trade the same way with you, man. I don't think like there's anything wrong with how they trade, but the way they trade, bro, it's like I don't like it, bro. It's too risky. Scalping, bro, in and out. It's cool because you get to go do other things, but it's like I don't wanna get into a proper trade, proper setup. Rather wait and not rush a trade and always want to trade every day, because these guys want to trade every single day. It's like you don't have to. But if you're a scalper, I guess, yeah. But yo, bro, it's. I guess this is me maturing into my own trading personnel, persona, whatever you want to call it. The sun is going down now. But yeah, man, I feel like you should just stick to what you know. Get people that trade the same way you do, um, and like to hold trades rather than just scalping and everything. Because even then, your biases are gonna conflict. Because people are gonna see, you're gonna see sells, but people are gonna see buys. But it's like, yeah, of course you can see buys because you're scalping. You're gonna scalp at one candle move up, and then that's it. So yeah, just a little rant video. I just don't like it when people impose like, oh, why are you seeing this? Or not like they were mad or anything, but it's like, nah, I don't see this. I'm seeing sells because of this. Then they Fibonacci, fair value gap, this, order block. It's like, okay, that may not work for you. That shit did not work for me. So clearly there's a disconnect. We don't understand each other because you're using all these ICT terminologies. And one thing about it is like, all of this shit is man-made, bro. Order blocks, breaker blocks, fair value gaps, all this stuff, bro. It's like, it's all man-made. It's it's all um how do I say um it's all like, how do I say, what's the word I'm looking for, bro? What am I, how do I say man-made, but you know what I mean, like it's all man-made concepts based on what they understand. So order blocks, because he started mentioning order blocks, breaker blocks. I'm like, okay, whatever, breaker blocks, order blocks, really gap. It's like, okay. I'm just going purely off price action because they say they're price action traders, but now they're using all these other things. And it's like, okay, maybe that works for you. If you make money from it, do you, brother? But the way you trade for me is just not the way I like to look at it. So, yeah, I'm just going to keep to my own, man. I'm just going to keep to my own because. And ultimately, she didn't even want to get added to the new group, which is like cool because I was like, you don't want to be in a new group? She's like, nah, she doesn't mind because she's just about her. She's just trying to fix herself, her psychology, because there's really nothing else that could be taught because ultimately psychology has to be built by you. So, amen. Yeah, even me, like I just attend because, you know, I mean, I pay for it, but I just attend just to see. But then I wouldn't comment or say anything like, oh, I trade, oh, I see this, I see this. It's just like, I don't think I should anymore because like, okay, cool, y'all can do that. Y'all see that. I'm gonna stick to what I see, and we'll see ultimately. Because now it's a matter of like, oh, I'm right. It just feels like an ego battle or whatever. Like, no, I'm right, so you know, it just doesn't feel genuine anymore. It doesn't feel like, but why are you seeing this? Why are you seeing this? You know, maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm just in my head. But anyway. Just a lot of rant. Just wanted to get out these thoughts. I'm just gonna stick to myself, bro. Focus on what I know, how I trade, and just make my own money. If they make money, good for them. But I ultimately don't need because it's missing the psychology, bro. Like the way they see it, and I feel like I'm also understanding why now all these trading podcasts, whatever, they don't really trade the way that their guests trade. Because it kind of conflicts with the way they see, because they've gotten to a point where they're comfortable with what they see and what they know. Because I would always wonder, like, but bro, this is such an easy strategy. Why don't you learn from him? Why don't you use his strategy? And I feel like they really have years of experience within it, so they really won't be a reason for them to change. Because I was watching a live and I was talking about science strategy, ICC, and that guy, like he doesn't know what's going on with the side or whatever. He interviewed him a long time ago, but I'm thinking, but I thought you guys would have broke down how he trades and would have traded that way. But I guess the way he trades is different, so they don't want to take other people's strategies on because it kind of conflicts with what they see, and it's gonna take time away from them making actual money because they have to go learn and unlearn what they learn because it kind of conflicts with what they know. So I keep playing with my beard, bro. I don't know, or my goatee, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I guess that's why. So I'm realizing these things day by day. That's it. Stick to your own guns, stick to your own analysis, and you'll be golden.